everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful, nutritious and healthy lunch recipe. We are going to make horse gram rice. Now this is a one-pot dish and it's very easy to make. Let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I have taken half a cup of horse gram. This is a 125 ml cup. Horse gram has to be soaked for at least 8 hours or overnight for better digestion. If you're making this for a lunchbox meal, soak it the previous night. To another bowl, I have taken 1 cup of raw rice. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. I have washed the rice a few times, pour enough water and soak it for at least half an hour. Remember, for every 1 cup of rice, use half cup of horse gram for the perfect balance. Heat a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once it is hot, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and roast them until fragrant. When the mustard seeds splatter, add 2 finely chopped onions, 10 cloves of garlic slightly pounded, 3 green chilies slit and sauté them till the onions are soft and nice. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Adjust the spice level according to your taste. Mix well, letting the spices blend beautifully with the onions. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. Add 3 finely chopped tomatoes and mix again. Once the tomatoes are mushy, add the soaked horse gram to the onion tomato mixture. Stir everything together so that the flavors coat the horse gram evenly. To enhance the aroma, add fresh curry leaves and a handful of chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. Now add 3 cups of water and let it come to a nice rolling boil. Adjust the salt if needed. Now add the soaked raw rice and mix well. Close the pressure cooker and place the weight and cook for about 2 whistles on medium flame. Let the pressure release naturally. After about 10 minutes, open the lid and enjoy the perfectly cooked, non-sticky horse gram rice. It's just the way it should be. There you go, here is this nutritious and delicious horse gram rice that is ready to be served. This dish pairs wonderfully with raita, pickle or a side of crispy papad. It's perfect for a wholesome lunch. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out the horse gram chutney and dosa recipe links in the description. So as you can see, it's such an easy and simple recipe that you can make in minutes. The only thing is to soak the horse gram. So now it's time to taste. It's such a wholesome dish. It's super easy to make. It's full of nutrients. So this is one of those simple to make variety rices that you can easily try at home. Now you can enjoy it as is or you can serve it with some nice fry item by the side. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.